99% of people look like total beginners when they walk into a bank and say, "I want money."
Wait, what's wrong with that? Isn't that why we go to banks?
It's way too vague and sounds unprofessional. Today, you're going to learn how to open a bank account like a native speaker.
I really need this. I'm always so nervous talking to bankers.
Don't worry. Lesson 1, stop just asking for an account. You must specify the type.
Specify? What are my options?
You usually choose between a checking account and a savings account.
What is the main difference?
A checking account is for daily spending, bills, groceries, and using your debit card.
And a savings account is for keeping money long term?
Exactly. It even earns a little bit of interest.
So I should say, I'd like to open a checking account?
Perfect. "I'd like to" is much more polite than "I want."
Got it. What's the advanced tip?
You need to ask about maintenance fees and minimum balances.
Maintenance fees? Like I'm repairing a car?
No. It's a monthly fee the bank charges just to keep the account open.
That sounds like a waste of money. How do I avoid it?
Ask them, "Is there a monthly maintenance fee?"
And what was that other term? Minimum balance?
Yes. It's the lowest amount of money you must keep in the account to avoid those fees.
So I ask, what is the minimum balance requirement?
Spot on. Now, here is the most valuable secret: direct deposit.
I've heard that before. What does it actually mean?
It's when your employer sends your paycheck electronically straight into your account.
Why is that a secret tip for English learners?
Because if you have direct deposit, many banks will waive your monthly fees.
Waive means they cancel the fee, right?
Correct. You should ask, "Can the fee be waived with direct deposit?"
I feel so much more confident now. Let's practice.
Okay, I'm the banker. Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'd like to open a checking account, please.
Certainly. We have our Premier and our Basic accounts. Any preference?
I'm looking for an account with no monthly maintenance fees. Does the basic one have a fee?
It has a $12 fee, but we can waive it if you have a minimum balance of $1,500.
What if I set up direct deposit? Can the fee be waived then?
Yes, actually. Direct deposit of $500 or more waives the fee completely.
That sounds perfect. What documents do I need to provide?
I'll just need your ID and a proof of address, like a utility bill.
I have those right here. When will I receive my debit card?
It'll arrive at your address in 5 to 7 business days.
Excellent. Thank you for your help.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video and repeat after me. "I'd like to open a checking account."
Go on, try it out loud. It's the only way to get better.
Great job. Also, comment below, do you prefer using cash or a debit card?
Quick recap, we learned checking versus savings accounts.
We learned how to ask about maintenance fees and minimum balances.
And we learned how to use direct deposit to save money.
Subscribe for daily English tips. New video every single day.
See you in the next one. Bye.